Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds, REDMI Buds 4 Pro. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part also to find a similar path. Now, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings, so you need to scroll down a bit. Here it is, enter into Accessibility, and then scroll down again. In the hearing, we have audio and visual. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. Now, if you have a problem with the right earbud, you just move this slider to the right earbud, and we just increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud. And if you use 100% on the right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. If you have a problem with the left earbud, you just move the slider to the left. And it's the same, you increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right earbud. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to also go to Accessibility. What I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom. Enter into Accessibility, and we need to scroll down again and find Audio Adjustment, what again at this phone located at the bottom. Okay, tap at this line, and right here we have Volume Balance. If you have a problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, and we increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right earbud. And if you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right. And the same, we increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!